Hello class, today we're going to learn about multiplying rational numbers, and yes, I am losing my voice. So we will do our best. So let's review. 2/3 times 4/5. We look to see if we can cross simplify or simplify a numerator and a denominator. So we cannot, so we just multiply straight across. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. So 8/15 is your answer. The next one, look to see if we can cross simplify a numerator and a denominator. So yes, 5 can go into 15. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. How about my 6 and my 8? I can divide 2 out of there. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And now look, I have my 3's. A numerator or denominator. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So now I'm already simplified. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. So 1/4. Okay, just a reminder. Same sign will be positive, right? Same sign, positive. Different signs, negative. So that's just a reminder, we're using the same rules. Okay, so if we had -7 times -9, 7 times 9 is 63, and that's positive. -5 times 11, 5 times 11 is 55. There's one negative, so -55 would be your answer. Here we have decimals. So when we multiply decimals, you have to think back to last year. We want to just multiply. Well, let's see. I see a negative and a positive, so I know my answer is going to be negative. And then I'm going to multiply 25 times 36. 5 times 6 is 30. Carry the 3. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. Then we hold a 0. Now we go 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Add them. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 7, 8, 9. And now we move our decimal 1, 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So we said our answer is going to be negative, and negative 9.00 is -9. Try another one. Here we have fractions. So 4 is 4/1 times -5/6. Look to cross simplify. So let's look across. The 4 and the 6, I can divide 2 out. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. There's nothing else more I can do. So 2 times -5 is -10. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 can go into 10 3 times. And it's going to be negative with 1 left over. -3 1/3. Okay, here's another fraction one. So -1/3 times -2 3/4. So now we need to change 2 3/4 to an improper fraction. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So -2 3/4 is -11/4. Look to see if we can cross simplify. No, we cannot. So -1 times -11, I know my answer is going to be positive. So that's 11. And then 3 times 4 is 12. It's already simplified. Great job. -2/3 squared. So that's saying -2/3 times -2/3. So I know my answer is going to be positive. So -2 times -2 is +4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4/9. So make sure when you see the exponents, you write it out. Okay, try this one. Pause the video and see if you could do it on your own. So 4 1/2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 9/2. Times negative. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So negative 2 1/3 is the same as negative 7/3. I know my answer is going to be negative. I look to cross simplify. So my 3's, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then I multiply straight across. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. 2 times 1 is 2. Now we just need to change it. So 2 going to 21 10 times. 10 times 2 is 20. So subtract 21 minus 20, there's 1 left over. So negative 21/2 is the same as negative 10 1/2. Okay, let's try a real world application. So last year's school record for the 100-meter dash was 15.24 seconds. This year the record is 15.18 seconds. If the school record changes by this amount each year, what is the total change in the school record after 15 years? So first, let's find what the change was. So we're going to take 1518 minus 1524. Okay, so I know I'm subtracting. I know it's going to be negative. So it's 15 24 minus 15 18. 14 minus 8 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it'd be negative 0.06 or 6/100. So now it's asking if the decrease was 6/100 of a second. We're going to multiply that by 15 because they want to know after 15 years what was the total change in the record. So do 15. I know my answer is going to be negative. So just do 15 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 90. And I move my decimal 2 places to the left. Okay, so the change is 0 9 tenths. So after 15 years, the change is negative 9 tenths. I hope this helped you understand the multiplying rational numbers. Have a great day.